All right, so I'll never forget this experience, okay? So I went to Arizona State after Gallaudet. That's where I went. So my roommate was with my oldest brother, and then I was the youngest out of the five of them. And the other one was his wife, and that was fine. We were pretty close, so every weekend we would go out, and it was really fun. It was really enjoyable for me. I really, one day it was really hot. We needed to cool down. And in the summers in Arizona, they're really hot. I mean, the temperature was like 120, and most of the times it was like 117. So what's like a place we could go? We went to the mall. It's pretty boring, but don't ever bring your credit card because you're just going to spend money the whole time. So forget about that. So we're walking around window shopping, and I really had to go to the bathroom. So I told my sister in law, hey, like I really need to go to the bathroom. And she said, same, I've been holding it. So we go to the bathroom, we find one, and what's really cool is my sister in law, she learned ASL. She wanted to learn ASL after marrying my brother so that we could conversate. So together, we go to the bathroom and we sit in the same, like, next to each other in the same stall ish area. We go to the bathroom. It's nice, it's relaxing. We go wash our hands, and I see my sister in law snickering, and I turn and ask her why. She said, yeah, have you ever, like, thought about how hearing people can hear you use the bathroom? And I was just kind of looking at her, and she says, you sound like Niagara Falls. And I'm like, I am a college student at ASU, and I've never thought about that. No one's told me this the entire time I've grown up. Can you hear me pee? And she's like, yeah, I can hear you go. And I was completely mortified. I was so annoyed. And she's laughing. And from then on, anytime we go to the bathroom, I'm like, I never cared. That's just a waste of time. I'm not going to try to control me going to the bathroom. And I thought, screw it. I'm deaf. Too bad. If you don't like it, you can move over to the different stall. And that's like something I'll never forget. So